Welcome everybody. Today on Pressure Crisp, we're going to have a showdown with pork chops. We're going to compare shake and bake to the Louisiana Air Fryer pork coating. I've had this in the past, but I've never had this one. A lot of people have said this tastes really good. So we're going to do this in the Ninja Foodi Grill and can't wait for the taste test at the end. Come on over and let's get started. So like I said, we're going to have a showdown between shake and bake, which I'm used to and I truly love, to the Louisiana Air Fryer seasoned coating that's for pork. Now, they're basically the same directions. It says moisten. I usually just use water. It says you can actually use an egg wash. We're just using cold water to do this. And it says the air fry at 400. This box also states 400. Let's open this guy up. This is like a single serving package. That's the coating right there. I'm just going to put that into a bag. They did not provide a bag in the box like shake and bake does. And here's shake and bake. Let me grab a bag. And I like this because it does actually come with a bag. It smells so good. I'm just going to pour that into the bag. And that's what the shake and bake looks like. And we're going to do a comparison for color. Oh, it has a different smell. I'm trying to think what I smell in there. It has more seasoning. Yeah, totally different. These are actually going to taste totally different, which is fantastic. And what I'm going to do is just pour this coating right into this bag. I'm not going to pour the whole thing in because I'm just doing one chop. So I'm actually only going to use half a bag. I'm just going to put that off to the side. And let's compare the colors. Let me just get the water out of the way. And I know these are in a bag, but you'll be able to see there's a big difference in color. This is the shake and bake. As you can see, it's much, much darker. Smells like shake and bake. And here's the Louisiana Air Fry for pork. It's more orange, and it has, you can actually see there's actually seasoning in there. It smells really, really good. So to make these chops, we're just using, these are just, I don't want to say run-of-the-mill chops, but it's a thinner chop. So I know these are probably going to cook anywhere between 15 and 18 minutes. And I'm just going to coat these in the water. We're just using plain old water, which is fine. I'm going to place that right into the bag. This is the Louisiana coating. And we're just going to shake it all about, I was going to say. Sorry, I'm getting over a cold or something, so my voice might be different. I apologize for that. Let's see what this one looks like. Let me just grab some of that. I just want to press more of this coating in. And just so you guys can see it, that's the Louisiana. Just going to place that right into the basket. And notice I'm not preheating. I never preheat when I make chops. Let's move this over. Let's put this chop in the water. And we're going to put it right into the shake and bake bag. There we go. I'm trying to get equal amounts of coating on this just so everything is equal. The chops are pretty much the same size, the same thickness, and everything else. And these will actually fit quite nicely. These two large chops will fit quite nicely into the air crisping basket in the grill. Okay, we're just going to shake that off just a bit. I want you to see what this one looks like. This is the shake and bake one, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this right over into the grill. And this is what the two chops looks like in the Ninja Foodi Grill. This is the Louisiana Air Fryer one, and this is the shake and bake. We're just going to go ahead and lower the lid. Before I do that, I do want to tell you I have the roasting rack in, as well as the air crisp basket, and the screen is on. And the temperature and function we're going to be using air crisp. I'm going to keep it right on 390. I'm going to hit start, and we're going to hit air crisp again, pick up the lid and lower it. and it defaults to 20 minutes. I'm just going to keep it on the 20 minutes because I know it's going to take anywhere between 15 to 18 minutes to cook these. We're going to come back in like 8 or 9 minutes and flip them over. It's been about 9 minutes. We're going to go ahead and lift the lid. They are looking great already. This one's browning up nicely, the Louisiana. We're going to turn it. We're going to take the shake and bake. Whoops. And we're actually going to put the Louisiana one down here and the shake and bake one up here. Just in case if there's any hot spots or low spots. Hot spots or cold spots. Since we have it open, I'm just going to do a quick temp just to see where we're at. Right, we're 114. This one's warmer. That one's 120. Gonna go ahead and lower the lid, and we'll probably come back. We'll check it like in 8 minutes. So we have 6 minutes left on the timer. We started with 20 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and raise the lid. They are looking really, really good. It smells fabulous in here. And let's just do a quick temp. Yep, this is done. Definitely done. Let's take these out, let them rest for a bit, and then we'll get to that taste test to see which one tastes the best. All right, that's the shake and bake, and this is the Louisiana. Okay, these beautiful pork chops are done. This is the shake and bake one, and this is the Louisiana Air Fryer. Give you a close-up of that. That's what they look like. And close-up of the meat. All right, let's get to that taste test. Now, I already know what shake and bake tastes like, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try the Louisiana Air Fryer pork chop first, because I've never had this before. That is really good. Just got a little bit of the spice. Yeah, that one is, wow, super good. Let's try the shake and bake. This one's delicious too. But if you're looking for something different, like something with a little bit of spice at the end, definitely try this one. There is no clear-cut winner because a lot of people don't like spice, but me, I'm going to have both in the house. I only had that one package, sorry. I only had that one package of the Louisiana Air Fryer pork coating, so I am going to actually go out either today or tomorrow and pick up a few more so I have them in the house. So choice is good. So whatever you have, go ahead and use them, but today I'm kind of leaning towards, all right. Thank you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe, and I appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching.